Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back again today with a little unboxing from Beebeecraft. I've been asked again to review some of their products. You can find Beebeecraft here on Beebeecraft on the internet at beebeecraft.com. So I will have the links to the products that I'm going to show you in my description box below so you guys can go check it out. But the coupon code is Makaz, M-A-K-A-Z 5, the number 5. That's your coupon code. You can save $5 off of a $40 purchase. And the code is good for a year. These are the items that they sent. So these are 10mm faceted glass-like beads. Whoops, 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 I'm dropping them. They come in a multitude of colors. But yeah. So they come in a pack of 100. So that's one of the products that I got to review. I also, and they're all individual packaged, they're packaged very well for shipping. I also got some metal dies, and I believe there's 4 to this set. There's a bird with flowers. The bird with flowers. There is a kitty cat. There is another kitty cat in an oval frame type. And then another bird in an oval, actually 2 birds sitting in a pear tree. No, in an oval shape as well. Oval window it'll cut out. Yeah, so 4 of those dies come in a set, and they've come packaged very well, like I said, in the bubble wrap. And then I also got some faux vinyl, and this set comes, I think, with like 4 of each pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and they're 12 by 12 size. So 4 sheets of each. So I got that. And then I also got another set of faux vinyl, or faux leather. I think it's called faux leather. Yes, faux leather. And these are just 8.5 by 11 sheets, and I think they're just single prints, but they're florals. Pretty, yeah. So pretty. So yeah, that is the products that I have from Beebeecraft. I will leave the code here, your coupon code, so you can get a discount when you order. And stay tuned, because I will be doing some projects with these items. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.